how to restore your contacts on iPhone. Now, if you would like to restore your contacts on iPhone, there are many ways to do so. What you can do is, first of all, you can go to your iPhone, go to settings, and then just tap on iCloud. Now, when you tap on iCloud over here, you want to just look for the contacts option right here. If you don't find it, you can see save to iCloud, tap on it, and here you'll be able to see your contacts. If you don't find it, then also no worries, but if you do find your contacts option here, you can turn it on and all the contacts that are in your iCloud will be automatically synced. Now, another way that you can do it is simply open your Safari browser and go to iCloud.com and log into your Apple ID. Once done, scroll down to the bottom until you see this option that says data recovery. Now, under data recovery, you can see many options here. You can see restore contacts. Tap on restore contacts, and here you can tap on the restore button next to each of these contacts to restore your iPhone contacts. That's all it takes for us to go ahead and then restore contacts on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.